Hello friends, welcome to Dipta's Patsala. Today we will continue the chapter Nutrition in Animals. In our previous session, we have already discussed the mode of intake of food found in different organisms, the digestion in human beings and also the parts of the digestive system of the human beings. So today we will discuss about the digestion in grass-eating animals like cows and also the digestion in amoeba. Here in this picture, you can see the digestive system of the cow that starts from mouth, then leads to the esophagus or the food pipe, and then it leads to the stomach, and rumen is the part of the stomach. Then it leads to the small intestine and then to the large intestine, and in between the small intestine and large intestine there is a sac like structure that is called as the cecum. So this is the digestive system found in the cows. You might have seen cows grazing or eating grass in a field. While grazing, they eat lots of grasses very quickly, and later on they have seen chewing something while they are not eating any food material. So this is because their digestive system is completely different than the human beings. In the stomach of the cows, there are 4 compartments, that is the rumen, the reticulum, the omasum and the abomasum. These are the 4 compartment stomach found in the cows. While they chew their food, initially it is stored in the rumen, and here in the rumen, by the act of certain bacteria, the food is digested partially, and that food is called as the curd. Means the partially digested food is called as the curd. Again, that curd goes back to the mouth, and while they take rest, that time they chew the curd once again for the proper digestion. And chewing the curd once again or re-chewing of the curd is called as rumination. That's why these organisms are also called as the ruminants. The giraffe, the goat, sheep, deer, they also belong to this category. And here, after chewing the curd, that chewed food again goes to the reticulum, and from the reticulum it enters to the omasum, from the omasum to the abomasum. Like that it will enter to all parts of the stomach, then to the small intestine and then to the large intestine. This is how the cows digest their food. And you know, the cows eat grass, and grass is having certain kind of carbohydrate called cellulose, and that cellulose is digested by the bacteria present in the rumen, and also an enzyme enzyme called as cellulase, they also digest the cellulose. But we the human beings don't have that kind of bacteria in our stomach. That's why we cannot digest the grass. Now here in this picture you can see how the cows are eating. The food is entering into the rumen and forms the curd. Then again the curd will go back to the mouth, okay, and from the mouth it will re-enter to the other parts of the stomach, and the food will be digested once again. Here in this picture you can see the horse and the rabbits, which are also herbivores, but their stomach is different than that of the cows, but they have the sac like structure cecum near the intestine, and as they also possess the bacteria that are able to digest cellulose, they can digest the grass. So now we will discuss about the amoeba. Okay, so this is the amoeba structure, and this outermost layer is called as the cell membrane, which gives shape to any animal. But here in case of amoeba, the cell membrane is not giving any shape, because the amoeba change its same shape from time to time, and this is the jelly like structure called as the cytoplasm. This dark dense structure is the nucleus, and these small circular structure are the food vacuoles. And here you can see some finger like projections, that is called as the pseudopodia, or pseudopodium is singular. Pseudo means false and podium means foot. So this is the false foot, and amoeba uses this pseudopodium for its movement and for capturing the food material. While it senses any food particle, it gradually develops the pseudopodia, and the pseudopodia tries to join with each other. The part at which the pseudopodia will join with each other, the cytoplasm will or cell membrane will dissolve, and the food will captured in a food vacuole, and again the sum of the digestive enzyme will secrete into the food vacuole, and they will be digested. After the digestion, that digested food will be absorbed to all parts of the cytoplasm. That is called as absorption. Then the absorbed food material will release energy for the growth and development of the organism. That is called as assimilation. After the assimilation, the undigested food material, that is the excreta, that will eject out or excrete out from the cell membrane, from any part of the cell membrane, by rupturing it, and it will go through a vacuole, and the process is called as egestion. Here in this picture you can see how the pseudopodia is capturing a bacteria, and here after the digestion, the undigested food will go or excreted away from the cell membrane by rupturing it through a vacuole. So this is how the amoeba digests its food. Its digestion process also involves the 5 stages like ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation, and egestion, and the mode of intake of food is called as holozoic mode of nutrition. So this is all about today's session, and let's have a quick revision. The grazing animals like cows, buffaloes, and deer are known as ruminants. They quickly ingest, swallow their food, leafy food, and that is later on stored in the rumen. Then later on they chew it back in their mouth peacefully for its proper digestion. Then amoeba ingests its food with the help of its false feet called as the pseudopodia, and the food is digested in a food vacuole. Hope you have enjoyed this video. If you are having any doubt, please write it in the comment section, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my channel. Thank you.